Once again, I welcome you, our learners from wherever you are. Maybe for those ones who are seeing me for the first time, I am Agawa Kosma. I teach physics and mathematics, but specifically for today, we are going to look at mathematics, and that is O-level math, and our topic is inequalities and regions. In mathematics, we have been used of equal signs. X plus y equals 6. Something equals this. My father's age is 53 years, so his age equals 53. And everything has been, this one is equal to that, the other one is equal to this. But for today, what we are doing, what we are looking at is inequalities, of which these inequalities, then they will bring us to the regions. Because as long as things are not equal, then we shall have regions. Those of you who have watched Animal Farm, the president, who was Mr. Napoleon, once said that all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. I have never understood that English. Maybe those who know more about English will explain to us. But I think he was trying to show us that we shall never be equal. There will have to be those who are big, those who are small, those who are tall, those who are short, those who are old, those who are young. So all that, it brings inequalities in real life, and then for us as mathematicians, we have to handle that inequality so that in case there is something that we need to tackle, then we can solve it mathematically and move on. In these inequalities, they are just keywords that we shall need to recall or know, for those who didn't know at the beginning. And among the keywords, we shall have the inequality symbols, which will give us two basic keywords of greater than and less than. In inequalities, these two are key, and we have to follow them from the start so that we don't get any issue along the way. In primary and other levels, we have studied, and we know these inequalities. I'm just requesting you on your piece of paper to draw a symbol for greater than. Please do a symbol for greater than. Thank you. I know you have done it. And possibly you have something related to mine. When we go like this, even we used to have those boys who would be fighting, and if somebody would do like this one, it means if he's putting it on this other end, then he has more energy than you. He is bigger than you. It means he can beat you. So it means this one is greater than that one. It may also be the other way around. Still, the person is like, as long as somebody puts you here, then that person is greater than you, is bigger than you. It can help us understand what greater than can be. So if you are then that side, then it means you are in the other region of less than. So somebody can kick you or can kick you. So therefore, we arrive at greater than this way. This one, that is this other open side of the symbol, is greater than something that is on the other side, the cross side of the symbol. And the same way, if you are now this side, then it means you are less than what is this side. So we can have our symbol as this one, meaning this one, this side is less than what is the other side. So these are the two basic symbols that we shall use in these inequalities and regions, greater than and less than. We can use them in real life. For example, you can have a simple table here, a symbol. Then from the symbol we shall have the word. Then we shall have examples. So, first symbol is this one. And then we have seen it is called greater than. You can have a few examples. Yes, 10 is greater than 7. If we go to negative numbers, negative 3 is greater than negative 5. Maybe you can have those examples. Then we go to the one of less than. And the word we say is less than. So, which one is less than which? We can have figures. 25 is less than 30. We can also have the negative values. Negative 16 is less than, actually you can even put a 0. Yes, we have known this one from the number line. And as long as you understand this one, then the next one other important key term is what you call a solution set. A solution set. So what is a solution set? I will explain this one by using an example. If we say that, for example, those students who must be admitted in a secondary school must have scored 24 aggregates and below. So meaning those to be admitted, let me use letter A, must have scored less than 24 aggregates. So this means, what is our solution set? If you come with your 24, you don't get the vacancy. We shall begin with 23. So meaning our solution set, those to be admitted, will begin from slightly before that. And since these are whole numbers, then it will be 23, 22, 21, and since we know that the best has only a 4, then can be that one. These dots are showing us there is 20, 19, 18, all those values up to 4. That is what you can call a solution set. I can have another example. If you are to be eligible, maybe to vote, and you are taking age as a whole number, then your age should be greater than 17. This means the solution set for the age of the people who will be eligible to vote, they will range from 18, 19, 20, and onwards. Which means that somebody who is 36, 72, 100, they are eligible to vote. This is what we are calling a solution set. I believe we have at least understood these few concepts that we have to begin with. And now, as usual, as we do in our classrooms, I want you to sit down, do this activity. It is just a simple activity, just to do it. Then after doing it, you will submit, and then we shall be able to help you. So, I am going to write here the activity, then you are going to do it. Use any of the inequality symbols i.e. compare these numbers. Write down and after doing these two, then you can submit your work for marking. We are not far, we are so near you. Our information is right there. We are called Back Science Education Consultants, helping you in online coaching of any kind. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep getting all these video lessons. It is called Back Science Education Consultants. Just go there. You will see some good picture of teachers teaching and some good lessons for the subjects biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and sub-math for both O level and A level. And our services are not just limited to that. We also have counseling services, guidance services. We do a lot as far as education is concerned. So please subscribe to our channel. You will never regret. Thank you very much. Stay well, stay at home, stay safe.